Hi, and welcome to part 2 of the Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 features. My name is Craig Dickinson and I'm the Customer Relations Manager here at M4 Systems. The first feature I'd like to show is Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is a collection of online services and features that enable you to find and visualize data on any device. This information is real-time, so it allows you to bring in data such as Dynamics CRM to identify trends, evaluate customers, and allows you to interact and create strategies to enhance services. As a user, you'll probably see I logged in through an Office 365 subscription. This can be accessed through CRM on-premise or either from a mobile device or from within inside a browser. Now, starting off, there are three key areas to Power BI. There are dashboards, reports, and data sets. Reports and dashboards can't exist without data set. For this example, I've loaded in the Dynamics CRM sales environment, but also I can pull in multiple data sources, such as flat file formats from Excel, CSV, or databases such as SQL or even Azure. Microsoft have also created a service application whereby I can bring in third-party vendors, such as Google Analytics, there's Bing, there's marketing suites such as Click Dimensions, MailChimp, and you'll also notice the Dynamics suite for Dynamics CRM and ERP applications. Once I'm happy with my data and the data input, I can now begin to edit my dashboard and reports. And the second building block of Power BI is dashboards. Now this allows you to pull data in from multiple locations in a single pane, and it allows you to view that information from a single glance. All the information needed to make decisions or monitor the most important information to your business. And dashboards are built up of two key areas, the Q&A section and widgets. Widgets are built up on Q&A. Now Q&A allows you to type natural language almost as an advanced find as if you would in Dynamics CRM, but without the restrictions or rules governed through an advanced find. And it allows you to bring together from multiple data sources. And as I type the words, it begins to recognize which data set to find the best answer. So for this example, as I say, I've loaded in the Dynamics CRM sales environment, and I want to query leads. And the leads that are won by word of mouth. And as you see, as I start to type, the data is refreshed live and it starts to make suggestions, and you can see the data is being pulled from this individual source. But it's quite easy to bring in data. As I say, we can bring in Dynamics CRM sales, we can bring in the marketing section, we can bring in a Click Dimensions campaign and where the leads derive from, whether that be Google Analytics or a marketing suite. And then I can pull it through to almost a final section of an ERP and where that lead may be generated into an account and what the actual revenue spend was. So if we go back to our original query, leads by word of mouth, and I type whereby, you'll begin to see it presents me with the three options that are available and then what's governed within the CRM sales: cold, hot, and warm. And I'm not restricted by flat file formats. As I say, this is a visual representation. Once I'm happy with my report, I can save that down to a dashboard and create individual views. So revenue, leads, and this is just an example, top 10 accounts. And once I'm happy, this is a live data feed as a dashboard. Final section of the building block is reports. Now this is a multi-perspective view of the data, and it allows you to represent your data from different findings. There are tabs across the bottom. They're all predefined reports, and these are all out of the box. And for this example, I'm just going to look at account analysis. An account analysis, as you can see, is generated through top accounts by revenue, accounts by owner. So accounts by owner is based on territory. And as I begin to look at the data will live refresh based on accounts by industry, accounts by territory, and its actual Bing map location. And as I say, these are all predefined reports and free out of the box. Now there are two versions available within Power BI. There's a free version and there's a monthly subscription, very similar to the CRM online environment, whereby it's per user per month. The central difference between the two ultimately comes down to the refresh rate. How quickly and how easily do I need access to this information? The second feature I'd like to touch upon is the mobile offline capability of CRM 2016. This is available for both tablets and phones and provides a full offline capability. Utilizing the CRM application, users will be able to edit, create or delete entries when a connection is lost through mobile coverage, whether this be 3G or 4G. Users will automatically sync to the live server once an active connection is established. At the moment, this feature is only available to CRM online customers with 30 or more users. There are plans to roll this out to the on-premise solution in future releases. The third and final feature I would like to review is the Microsoft Social Engagement tool. It allows you to analyze social data direct from within CRM, and it provides a powerful tool in the hands of the sales, marketing, and service teams. And what we can do is we can listen to brands, products, topics, or even campaigns from multiple locations such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, RSS feeds, and even blog posts. And what that does is it naturally, with this information to hand, we can quite quickly obtain a public perception and allow us to identify and connect with the most influential users. Now, social engagement is made up of three areas: search setup, analytics, and social center. If we firstly take a look at the search setup, what we can do is we can find out what people are saying about a particular topic. And in order to do that, we first need to make sure that we set up and we design the search topics that produce results that are interesting to us as a company. For this particular example, I've set up the search topics Cortana, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and Microsoft Yammer, and associated it with a particular number of categories that are associated to that topic. So once we have the search topic that's relevant to us as a company, we can begin to look at things like the social center. It's where a social center is where you would expect a social media manager or community manager to spend their day interacting with customers, fans, and even critics. But you can also see where a customer service manager or support manager might spend time monitoring posts and proactively engaging. As I say, this product is direct within CRM, so it'd be quite easy to distinguish a particular account that's happy, so we can set up individual leads, even an opportunity against an account while reviewing a number of products. But from a support perspective, we can look at negative responses and respond directly within the application from multiple resources, regardless of their location, but also set up things like cases and assign them to agents. Once we have the social center, we've analyzed the social center and the search setup, what build up our topics, we can actually analyze and look at the analytics that make up this account. We can see what people are saying, how we compare with particular products or companies. We can see our competitors and our general consensus about a particular product or sentiment against a business product or consumer product. And we can quite quickly build up a sentiment analysis of our product and how people feel about our product. We can quite quickly drill into any negative phrases, look at the location of those negative phrases, the phrases that build up around negative responses, where the source of that location has come from, and who the authors of that response are. And we can reply directly from within CRM to produce either a positive result or to respond accordingly to any query or case, and link them back to any support queries, any cases, any leads or opportunities within the CRM system. Thank you for listening today, and if you have any questions, please contact us on our website at www.m4systems.com.